Hello guys, my name is Shilan. So today I'm doing a review on a heat cup. This is my heat cup. It comes with a how to use menu. So this is it. It has a zip. This is where you can adjust where if you want to fit it on your head. And so this one, you can wash it when it's dirty, clean it. And then this is the inner part. This is where the heat takes place. So you can use it to condition your hair, hot oil treatment, and dry your hair. So it has 2 levels of heating. Hot and medium. So guys, I'm going to show you how I use it. So guys, I divided my hair into 3 parts for easier conditioning. Let me show you how I do it. So guys, I'm done. So I'm going to plug it in. And my cup, and I will adjust so that it can become tight. For 30 minutes, I'll have a cup of tea and wait for it to dry. Hey guys, so I've washed my hair. I feel so smooth, I feel so good because my hair is so relaxed right now. And I'll advise you to use this product because it's the best. If you need to dry your hair, you can use this product. Also, if you want to deep condition your hair, it's also the best. And also, it's in hot oil treatment. Now I will just comb my hair and style it. That's my final look.